receive this product in exchange for my honest opinion and review on it.
Okay, here's a quick review on this nightlight and alarm clock. This is the white noise sound machine sunrise alarm clock. So not only does it do white noise, but it can do natural sounds, and it's got the sunrise stimulated lights, so it's gonna like slowly gradually turn on. So let's go through it together. All right. I do like that it sits like this. It's very sleek looking, and it's got all sorts of buttons that we get to figure out together. Okay. So it does come with the plug and the cord that you need. So pretty decent cord, which is awesome for an alarm clock because we all know that sometimes those outlets can be a little ways from where you're at. Okay, so your clock is down here. I like that. It's got, so here's the noises. So this one's a rain sound. Okay. Here's a river. Here's the white noise. So as you can see, there was tons of different noise sounds that you could pick from. Here's the white noise. It's got tons of different sounds of those as well, so you can go through and figure out which one works best for you. There's also, so you have your timer, so you can go through. Look at that, it's like such a fun, it's got lots of different strobe colors. So you've got a dimmer, you can do a sunrise effect. So it's going to just light up as like when your alarm goes off, it can just start lighting up. So that way it'd be a great way for your kids to know it's time to get up. It does have a snooze to where you can add time or decrease time. You also have like a pause, forward, backwards. So if you don't want to push the button, you can change your noises from here. That'll do it. It's got an alarm button. The light you can adjust so you can make it brighter. So I'll show you like with this one. That's the full brightness. Whoa. And that is no light at all. So it does have, like I said, the sunrise effect, and you can select the time, like I want this to happen every 10 hours or something like that from when I go to bed at this time. So it's gonna last for 10 hours. Overall, this is such a fun alarm clock. My kids are absolutely gonna love it. I'm going to love it for the fact of all the different effects that it can have. So I can just simply turn it on, walk away. This is great for people, anyone of any age. I feel like it's not just for little kids or adults. This is a great time alarm clock. This is a great white noise machine. Overall, I am super happy with this product, and I would highly recommend that you look into it.